Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jorgeevdejesus. I am your Katy, Texas realtor, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to another one of Katy's most beautiful and sought after communities, Cane Island. Cane Island is nestled in the heart of Katy, Texas, and it's more than just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. It gets its name from Katy, Texas' original name, which was Cane Island. This community is steeped in history and it offers a unique blend of modern living with a touch of tradition. One of the things that makes Cane Island such a great community to live in are its remarkable amenities. Residents here enjoy a state-of-the-art fitness facility, resort-style pool, walking trails, events lawns. There's also the Oaks Kitchen and Bar, which is an excellent local restaurant, as well as several rentable places within the community for private events. For families with small children, you'll be pleased to know that Cane Island is zoned to some of the best schools in the Katy Independent School District, providing excellent educational opportunities for your little ones. There's also an extensive list of both charter and private schools in the Katy area for you to choose from. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's talk about HOA and tax rates. So they can vary depending on the section, but for the most part, Cane Island HOA fees are about $1,300 a year. And of course, that includes the maintenance of all the amenities and common areas, landscaping, things like that. Keep in mind, gated sections of this community could potentially have higher fees. The property tax in Cane Island as of right now is a 3.3%, about 3.3%. Again, it can vary depending on which year the section was built. Compared to other new construction communities, that's a low on the lower end. Now, some of the builders that are still building in Cane Island are Chesmar Homes, Coventry Homes, David Weekley Homes, Highland Homes, Perry Homes, and Shea Homes, as well as a group of custom home builders. Now let's talk about home prices in Cane Island. You're going to find a variety of homes that are going to suit different budgets, with prices ranging from $425,000 all the way up to $3 million. Whether you're looking for a starter or a luxury home, Cane Island is going to have something for you somewhere in between. So there you have it. Cane Island is a vibrant, welcoming community in the heart of Katy, Texas. If you're interested in making Cane Island your home, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Mr. Katy, Texas Real Estate.